Okay, honestly, I'm just gonna get right to it because I kind of watched, um, what the heck? I watched the last one I did and I just talked way too much. So I'm doing brows first. I'm using Makeup Revolution. Whoa, it was dirty. Um, like brow stuff, it's disgusting. Oh my god. Ew, that's gross. Um, it's like soap stuff for your eyebrows. I don't even know, like, if I like it or what. I'm using this primer from e.l.f. Last year, like, was the worst acne I've ever had in my life. Like, now my skin, I mean, it's not the best, but it's definitely like way better than it was um like a couple months or last year actually, because my skin was bad. It was actually what am I doing now? This is my old one, the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer.
Okay, I cut that out, but when I said old one, it's because I had another one, so I used the new one. Like it matters. Also, the way I'm the way I'm slapping this on is kind of gross. Oh my god. But like it is a tinted moisturizer, so
If my skin is like not looking good, then I need a little more than this, you know? So I will go, I'm using this Fit Me in this color.
you could also use your hand to do this, but I have this brush, so that's what I'm using. Ideally, I would like to use like a stippling one, but I don't have one, so I just use the flat one.
I have this Fenty concealer in this color.
Honestly, I don't know. Like I don't use this concealer anymore, but I think it's a little too yellow to be honest. Also I'm using the same exact brush that I used on my foundation, but I wouldn't do this now. Like I have a concealer brush. See, this one's way too big. Like what the fuck am I doing? Um so yeah, I would use like a smaller brush for this. And then like I kind of go in with my finger to kind of like make it look more natural, you know? Yeah. And this is where I kind of step back to look at myself, and then I see the wrinkles in my forehead, and I try to, I tried to flatten them out, and then the clip fell out of my hand. So now I'm going in with the powder. You can use any powder just to kind of set your concealer and the foundation and stuff. I'm using this Ofra one that I it's expensive as heck, but I got it in like a BoxyCharm bag. And then here, I'm deciding what color I wanted to use, but I decided to go with this like because this is a fall look. Oh my god, my side profile is so Gucci. Love it. I kept that in the video a lot because I fell in love with it the more and more I saw it. Okay, anyways, I chose this little um Sheba shade, and it's like a burnt kind of orange, and it just looks so good on me. Like this color, it just suits me so well. And I just put it all over my lid and just kind of blended it out. Um I blended out hella. This takes me a long time to do because you want to make it look natural. Um like it's just on there, you know? Okay, that was some really nice ASMR. I had to leave it in. But yeah, basically, like I just put it all over the lid. I'm putting the shadow all over the lid. You can add as much as you want or as little as you want. This is really up to you because I just see what I like, and if it looks good, I keep it. Okay, so here I'm going in with my other palette. This one's the one from Makeup Revolution, and I'm choosing the dark brown shade because I really like it. It's the best shade in my opinion that I have that I use for eyeliner. And basically you want to get like like this type of brush that's like small and pointy so you can do your eyeliner with it. And I just kind of follow that I go to the very corner of my eye and um yeah, I just kind of like follow it until the tip of my eyebrow and then I just keep filling it in. I try not to do them too straight. Sometimes I do like puppy dog liner and I make it go down. But I think here I was making it kind of go more natural and just like follow the curvature of my eye. Also, I don't put it all on top of my lid. I just kind of go halfway. I mainly focus on the wing, and then just like fill on the eyelid on the outer half, but I don't do it on the entire eye. Okay, so now I'm going in my same palette and I'm choosing this like champagne glimmery shimmer. Is that even a word? Glimmery? This shade. It's so pretty. It's called quartz, I think, and I put it in the inner corner of my eye just to give me a little pop. Um, I also put it like below my eye, and I think I just look so cute. Okay, here you see that I go back and I choose this little brush and I use the same color that I did on my eyelid and I bring the color under my eye. I don't know, I think it looks like makes the eye look more sultry. And now I'm taking mascara. I'm using the Milk one. And I'm just putting it on my lid. I mean, not my lids, on my I forgot my eyelashes. I don't do it on the bottom though, just the top. So yeah, I'm going in with the Milk blush in Perk, I think, and I just like smile like I'm a psycho, and then I put on the blush, and then I also like putting it on my nose because I want to look like an anime character, and I use this like old crusted and dusted blush. I don't even know where it's from, going with the blush brush and just kind of put it on top to give me more of that blushed look. And I think it looks so cute. Like look at me. I'm like feeling myself here. I'm like wiping away the wrinkles off my forehead or pretending to. And then I look at myself cute, beautiful. And here I have an ego check where I literally fall. I couldn't decide what lipstick to wear, so I ended up choosing this one. It's kind of like a tinted lip balm. I love this color. It just looks so good on me, dude. Oh my god. But yeah, that is the final look or the finishing touch, the piece de resistance.
Oh my god, I look so cute.
Who is the girl I see staring right back at me? Okay, peace and love. Hope you enjoy. Bye.